Hello, this is Tom with Composite Designs. Today I'm going to go over our Barricade kits. They're available in N, HO, and O scale, and they're probably one of the simplest kits we have. They add a nice little detail, can be used at pretty much any layout that's got a roadway or any type of scene that needs to block people or traffic or whatever, and they're not really era specific, so they can be used on almost any type of era layout that you have. And again, they're very simple to put together, so let's get to it.
So like usual, we're going to build these ones in O scale because they're easier to film, but it's the same for N scale and HO scale. The only real difference being the N scale is made out of laser board, and finishing will be a little different because they're not actually wood. Each kit comes with a set of parts and detailed instructions. Remove the pieces from the carrier sheet. You will need 2 uprights and 1 crossbar for each barricade. Gently cut the tabs, holding them into the carrier sheet. Go ahead and gently sand any remaining parts of the tab off with sandpaper. Lay your pieces out for assembly. We like to use Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue, but a wood glue would work fine too. Using a toothpick, carefully insert glue into the upper slot. Then slide in the crossbar. Carefully wipe up any excess glue. Repeat the process for the other side. While you can use clamps to hold it in place, generally a loop of tape stuck to your workbench and then the barricade stuck to that will hold it in place while the glue dries. And once the glue dries, it's done and ready to go. Now, we didn't cover painting and weathering in this video, and we know that. We'll cover that in a different video. This was just basically the assembly of it, and as you can see, it's very easy to assemble, and it's ready to go. We hope you learned something with this video. This, along with the rest of our products, are available on our website at compositedesigns.inc.com. Hope you learned something today, and we'll see you next time.